So let's start English listening practice. The article is about fashion. New fashions in clothing are created solely for the commercial exploitation of women. For and Against by Alexander. Whenever you see an old film, even one made as little as 10 years ago, you can't help being struck by the appearance of women taking part. Their hairstyles and makeup look dated. Their skirts look either too long or too short. Their general appearance is in fact slightly ludicrous. The men taking part in the film, on the other hand, are clearly recognizable. There is nothing about their appearance to suggest that they belong to an entirely different age. This illusion is created by changing fashions. Over the years, the great majority of men have successfully resisted all attempts to make them change their style of dress. The same can't be said for women. Each year, a few so-called top designers from Paris or London lay down the law, and women the whole world over rush to obey. The decrees of the designers are unpredictable and dictatorial. This year, they decide in their arbitrary fashion, skirts will be short and waists will be high. Zips are in and buttons are out. Next year, the law is reversed, and far from taking exception, no one is even mildly surprised. If women are mercilessly exploited year after year, they have only themselves to blame, because they shudder at the thought of being seen in public in clothes that are out of fashion. They are annually blackmailed by the designers and the big stores. Clothes which have been worn only a few times have to be discarded because of the dictates of fashion. When you come to think of it, only a woman is capable of standing in front of a wardrobe packed full of clothes and announcing sadly that she has nothing to wear. Changing fashions are nothing more than the deliberate creation of waste. Many women squander vast sums of money each year to replace clothes that have hardly been worn. Women who cannot afford to discard clothing in this way waste hours of their time altering the dresses they have. Hemlines, Waistlines are taken up or let down. Waistlines are taken in or let out. Necklines are lowered or raised, and so on. No one can claim that the fashion industry contributes anything really important to society. Fashion designers are rarely concerned with vital things like warmth, comfort, and durability. They are only interested in outward appearance, and they take advantage of the fact that women will put up with any amount of discomfort, providing they look right. There can hardly be a man who hasn't at the same time in his life smiled at the sight of a woman shivering in flimsy dress on a winter day, or delicately picking her way through deep snow in dainty shoes. When comparing man and woman in the matter of fashion, the conclusions to be drawn are obvious. Do the constantly changing fashions of women's clothes reflect basic qualities of fickleness and instability? Men are too sensible to let themselves be bullied by fashion designers. Do their unchanging styles of dress reflect basic qualities of stability and reliability? That is for you to decide.